Hi, this is an instructional video on how to replace the batteries for your AutoSlide Smart Tags. Now right here I have an example of a white AutoSlide Smart Tag. This video will also apply to the black colored ones. And in order to remove the battery from this case, assuming that it's dead, you can tell that the battery is dead by if this blue light does not flash once you click the button. But pretty much to remove the case, you simply need to go to the back of the tag, locate the small screwdriver, which you would remove with a small glasses case screwdriver, not the AutoSlide screwdrivers that we provide due to the fact that they're too large, and simply just unscrew it and then start opening up the case. I have a tag right here in which I've already undone the screw just to save some time, but I'll just pull it out. And now what you do, now that you have the screw removed from the case, is, oh yes, and please do not forget to keep track of this screw. It is very small and very easy to lose, so be sure to put that somewhere where you won't lose it. Now that you've removed the screwdriver, or the screw from the case, simply grab your screwdriver. I'm using a glasses case screwdriver that I have here at the shop, and just begin prying it using the small hole that we provide right at the bottom. So stick it inside of the case and start prying it. It's going to make about 3 clicks, one per plastic bit opening. So that's the first click. Then you're going to move the screwdriver over. Using the screwdriver, do not use your hands because there's a very good chance you'll break the tag if you use your hands. So just simply crawl along the space of the groove and just start opening it, avoiding damaging your case. There we go. Now that we've opened up the case, we can now see the inside of the tag. So right here is your battery with a covering over it. To simply remove the battery, all you need to do is just grab your screwdriver again, go towards the back of the case where you actually see the back of the battery exposed underneath the frame, and just start pushing out the battery as much as you can. Feel free to move the rubber water casing over. Do note these tags, the smart tags, are not waterproof, and just simply pull out the CR32 batteries in which we use to power them. Alright, now that I've removed the CR32 battery, I'll show so that you may know what battery to replace the tag with once that happens. All you need to do now is simply put in the new one. So let's just pretend this is the new battery. Do note the flat side of the battery, where it tells you what type of battery, needs to remain facing you once you place it back into the slot. The smaller textured side will be touching the green board in which is the programming for the tag. So slide it back in. Make sure the case is in its slot in case it's slid out slightly, like what happened here. And then grab your case, click it back into place, and then grab your screw and simply reattach it. And then just to test, simply click the button, and if the light is shining blue every time you click it, then you've replaced your battery and your tag is in working order.